So the physicist Feynman says that the electron does not move and that the electron has no mass. Yet other sources say that electrons are made up for the particles. But I'm going to go on the basis that the electrons do not move and that electrons are actually virtual manifestations. They are energy points, points of energy around the nucleus. So then, if the electrons do not spin or move, what spins or move when you excite an atom? The electron itself does not move because it does not exist. Like a circle does not exist, but we see a circle all the time. We learn that electricity is a flow of electrons. It is taught, it is taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, to be a flow of electrons. Maybe I'm wrong about it. What I learned is that electrons do move, but I'm going to go on the basis that electrons do not move, that they manifest, their effect manifests at certain quantum intervals or levels or energy levels. So then, going on that assumption that even if they move, they are so minuscule, what is moving more? Things in the nucleus. They have mass and they have, the neutron has a mass. Now, do protons and neutrons change places in the nucleus? Maybe that happens. Maybe protons and neutrons change places in the nucleus when that atom is excited or cooled down. Because that's easier to do, meaning that the charge in the one proton somewhere, quantums jump out of that proton into a neutron somewhere else. And when that happens, you will virtually see the electron manifestation somewhere else, the effect. We know that most of the energy of the atom is inside the nucleus. Because when radioactive decay occurs, as in the plutonium atomic bomb, I guess, to the chain rule, whatever happens, you have that amount of explosive energy because the radioactive element decomposes quite quickly. So we can then manipulate an atom, if that is true, that the electrons don't actually move that much, by limiting where the electron can manifest. I said it doesn't exist, but the effect is at this point, like the center of gravity of an object may not be on the object itself. You can go on that assumption, it may just turn out to work. Now we also know that electromagnetic waves can pass through the nucleus. Now compressing a gas is not compressing the nucleus. The nucleus doesn't change much, right? Or expanding a gas, doesn't weaken the nucleus that much. You have to get the energy within the nucleus.